Clicking on this button shows what the camera sees. Output properties allows us to change the width and height. Bring up the sidebar and in View, activate Camera to View. This allows us to reframe what the camera sees by using the normal rotate, pan, and zoom methods. Render the image, and this matches this. Click here to save the image. To avoid accidentally moving the camera, don't forget to turn this off. Catch you later.